Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to do an age analysis integrity test on a debtor drilldown report. Performing an age analysis integrity test on your debtor drilldown will significantly enhance accounting productivity and accuracy, especially when investigating contingencies and discrepancies. If the age amount doesn't match the movement summary amount, the test will fail. However, when the age amount balance, the test will pass. Please note that an integrity test can be done on a debtor drilldown report that is for a specific financial period. In this video, we will start on the report screen. Click on the Add New button to open the report profile screen. Click on the report category drop-down menu and select the debtor option. Next, click on the report type drop-down menu and select the debtor drilldown report. The settings and parameters of the debtor drilldown report will open. From here, you have the ability to choose the settings and parameters of the information that you want to have displayed on the report. For more information on the different settings and parameters, please refer to the Debtor Drilldown Report Settings and Parameters User Manual, linked in this video's description. Scroll to the Settings section and tick the Integrity Test checkbox. Once ticked, click on the Generate Report button. A notification will appear to advise that the report is being generated in the background. Thereafter, a second notification will appear once the report has successfully been generated. The newly generated report will now display on the list. If the report does not appear on the list, click on the Update Results button to refresh the report list entirely. Next, click on the generated report. The movement summary screen will open. The report will open with an indication if the report that has been generated has passed the integrity test and if the age has balanced. Please note that if the age does not balance, the test will fail and an indication will show that the integrity test has failed. For more information regarding the information displayed on a debtor drilldown report and the options of the report, please refer to the Navigating and Understanding the Debtor Drilldown Report user manual linked in this video's description.